Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a phenomenal day. We're taking a quick look here again at Avalanche, seeing kind of what's going on with the big picture and helping understand this ascending type of channel that we talked about previously. While it wasn't perfect, we got an ugly candle, a couple of candle wicks down to that low 26 range. The price is continuing higher here, likely to break out in this bullish pennant type of pattern, or no, correction, sorry, bull flag pattern. So again, awesome stuff there, definitely good. We took a trade yesterday and have so far hit our target. So here our first target is 21% in 17 hours. Same thing with Matic, Solana, and another second Matic trade there. Also got a nice little Cardano trade and a previous Solana trade as well. So congrats to our community members on that. And if you're curious about how my trading community works, I do have premium trades, which are my swing trades that I take myself. I manually set those. And then share this with my community. And then I also have an automated trading bot here, which is through my Premium Plus group that I created based on my day trading strategy. Litecoin 40%, Solana 44% in a day and a half. It's nice. Litecoin 13%, Matic 21, etc. We do have the occasional stop loss. You got to recognize trading is not perfect, but it's always offset with a few leveraged, some longs, some hedged longs. Say for example here, 22%. And then of course here there's a long that switched sides, essentially 36%. Anyways, I just like to kind of note that because my community members ask a lot, the difference between the two. Even though I do have like a signals guide that explains the difference between these two channels, it's helpful to note that. Okay, so again, future reference, all the information is there in my Discord if you want. Otherwise, Telegram, Twitter as well as an alternative. So we're going to take a look here at Avalanche and jump into the backend data and just kind of see kind of what's going on here. Because there wasn't a lot of liquidation data for shorts yesterday, and wow, okay, there is a lot now. Oh man, look at these late shorts. Oh, getting smashed. All right, take a look at this here. So when we left off yesterday, we were kind of somewhere in this range, and there was not a lot of data. In other words, we had very little shorts trying to short yesterday. Okay. Now again, the reason why is because the price action was retesting its high. And I don't know what these folks are thinking trying to short this coin again, but as you can see here, $28.12. Some people got smashed really hard there. Okay, so again, this is what happens. You see this candle wick up here to wipe out those shorts. That's what they do. Like shorts are all hedged right here, for example, right? They're going to put their stop loss just above the most recent high. What do you know? The candle wick comes up here to fill this liquidity level, sweeps it, and then oftentimes either retests it as a recent low, essentially as a new support level, and continues higher, or it'll come back down as if it never happened. Okay, it's constant whale games, and it happens nonstop. It's crazy how it happens. But again, the reason why liquidation is important is because we know those focal points for the whales. Now that this upper level has been swept, even though there's a lot of late shorts at $29, we're going to see 25.60 as a potential next target. So be mindful of that. If you are in a long position, that's exactly why you take profit. You don't get super greedy, because then if the price comes back down there, you still walk away with some profit. At the very least, why don't you adjust your stop loss higher, so that way if the price does pull back, if you get stopped out, you're still in profit. Okay. Again, there's a lot of different strategies in place, but I struggle with the fact that people don't take profit because I see Tom, Dick, and Harry with 1,000% at 20 to 50x leverage trade that's held on for like 5 months. Okay, great. You're an amazing trader. You held on for months and you got a good entry. Okay. Anyways, what I want to get at here is the moving averages on the daily. Nothing's changed here on the daily time frame. In fact, it's gotten better since yesterday. So there's nothing really much to note here. We're still ascending positive with the trend line. Stochastic is maxed out at 100. Okay, we're seeing that with a lot of coins too. So the truth here is that we don't have a lot of reliability in the daily time frame, letting us know there's tremendous amount of confirming factors. Everything's basically telling us the price is going up. Big surprise. The only way we're going to identify shifts in momentum is on the smaller time frames. So we're going to start with a 4-hour and just kind of see what's going on next. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can kind of see here, stochastic is starting to swing upwards. That's this next push, this next momentous trend that we're in right now. We can see money flow index is coming back up, and RSI just broke through 70. Those are extremely important factors. The fact that we just broke our recent resistance level here is extremely important. So that being said, that we can presume, again, presume with quotation marks there, we never want to assume that $28, I'm using a round number here, basically $27.90, is potentially the new support level. Okay. Again, I want to emphasize potential because it's not confirmed. We could very well see the price pull back to some lower levels. In fact, just to kind of touch on that, this is a bigger picture scenario here for Elliott Wave. but Elliott Wave does anticipate 25 to low 22, to mid 22, so 22.50 to 25 range as potential retracement area. I don't subscribe to that just yet because obviously, we took a long position and we're in profit right now. While we have taken a majority of our profit already, we're going to let the rest ride because our stop loss adjusts to break even. Again, a lot of different strategies you can apply, but generally speaking, with Avalanche here, in this situation, we're above all moving averages. We're converging for the second time on the MACD. In fact, look at this here. This is what I refer to as an MACD FU. Basically, it's supposed to be a MACD divergence, right? Price comes down here. A lot of people start taking short positions. And then, oops, FU, screw you, we're done. We're going to go opposite direction here. So again, I refer to that as MACD FU. And I think it's kind of humorous more so than anything, just based on, fun with words. But the last thing I want to look at is the hourly. Let's go ahead and wrap this up here. Sorry, getting a little wordy today. And what we're looking at is TD sequential. Not much to note there. There's not a lot of consistency, which is great. Really just implies we have potential for further upside. We also know here, and this is a green light in all regards, where we can see confirming factors here: lagging spans free and clear of the price action, conversion lines above the baseline, and the actual cloud itself is well below the price. You can see the overside here as well for the cloud is averaging itself at about $27. So we can summarize here that 27 is a new support level based on being a previous resistance, and that there is potential as well for 28 to be the new support. I think that's less likely, but it is still a possibility, okay? So again, all in all, fantastic stuff here. There's absolutely no reason to consider shorting this coin. The only thing I would recommend, of course, is being cautious and careful adjusting your stop loss higher, as we can see here, there's a ton of liquidation at the $25 to $26 range. And just to put that on the chart so you get perspective on what that looks like, 25 to 26 is this range right here. Sorry, that's a bad range. There you go. That's where all the liquidation is held at. Again, liquidation levels are typically right below recent lows and or recent highs. Okay? That's why these shorts here just got wrecked, because they put their stop loss just above the most recent high. Okay, again, not a bad strategy, of course. You want to get stopped out, honestly, if the price is going to run. But again, you shouldn't be shorting this coin. All right, common denominator, mx plus b equals c. Is that what it was? I forget. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, hit the like button if you could. Obviously, join our trading community if you want to become a better trader. There's a few slots left available. And then, of course, last but not least, extremely important, make sure you take advantage of this exclusive offer. It's not going to be available for long. These guys are fantastic. No KYC, no VPN, trailing stop losses, multiple take profit targets. I have instructions on how to utilize the exchange in the link below and also on our Discord, but they're a fantastic exchange. I'm super thankful for them to be able to provide this opportunity, because as you know, BingX is requiring VPN in the US, just a matter of time before KYC is required. So again, just kind of the way that goes. All well and good either way if you want to stick around with what you got, but check these guys out if you get a chance. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.